अब बच्चे दो चार उसके साथ कोशिश करते हैं कि मतलब मे बी ही स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू हिम. So all the people then do what? They kill him because he was corrupting the youth. What do they see? They see shadows. Shadows of camel, shadows of men, women, children, animals, rat, rabbit, all only shadows. This is very unsatisfied. He somehow feels very uncomfortable कि यार कुछ तो सही नहीं चल रहा है लाइफ में, मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब सच नहीं लग रहा है यार ये. There must be something more to life. There must be something which I must know, I must explore. Now coming to the cave analogy. थोड़ा इमेजिनेशन यूज करना पड़ेगा, एक वीडियो भी दिखा देंगे, ठीक है. तो there is a cave, a big cave. This is the cave wall, and here many prisoners are bound. उनको ऐसे, जैसे ये दीवार है, ऐसे उनके हाथ, गर्दन, पैर बांध दिए हैं. तो अब वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में देख सकते हैं. किस डायरेक्शन में? यहाँ ही देख सकते हैं और कहीं नहीं देख सकते, दीवार की तरफ ही देख सकते हैं. दे कैन नॉट मूव देयर हैंड्स, लेग्स और नेक. देयर इज अ पाथ और elevated bridge and there is a lot of fire glowing. So many people, horses, camels, cars, different things keep crossing this bridge, and because of the fire, the shadow of all these things keep forming here on the wall. Now these people who have been bound since birth, जन्म से वो ऐसे ही हैं, सिर्फ ऐसे ही देख सकते हैं, ऐसे ही बड़े हुए हैं. उन्हें क्या नजर आता है? What do they see? They see shadows. Shadows of camel, shadows of men, women, children, animals, rat, rabbit, all only shadows. Now these people speak also, but the voices become muffled in a cave. So they hear these voices and associate the voices with the images. ये हॉर्स कैसे बोलता है? मैन कैसे बोलता है? ऐसे. जब ये इमेज आती है तो ऐसा. So they associate all the voices with the pictures and the shadows they see. For them, what is real? What is real? What is reality? What is truth? Shadows is the truth. Now they are happy. They are absolutely happy. No problem in life. They see shadows, they are entertained. They have made meaning out of it. They have cultivated their relationships with the shadows also. Mama shadow, Papa shadow, brother shadow, bada shadow, leader shadow. No? So a lot of shadows have been, they have formed their associations. Now this one person, this is very unsatisfied. He somehow feels very uncomfortable कि यार कुछ तो सही नहीं चल रहा है लाइफ में, मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब सच नहीं लग रहा है यार ये. There must be something more to life. There must be something which I must know, I must explore. Now this man somehow breaks free from the clutches. Somehow, we don't know how, but somehow because of that uncomfortableness, वो try कर रहा था बहुत देर से, और अचानक से उसकी ये खुल जाती है, गर्दन भी हाथ भी. नाउ दिस पर्सन goes out of the, गिरते पड़ते पहुंच जाता है बाहर. जैसे ही वो केव के बाहर गया, उसने क्या देखा? The real world. And in the real world, he saw sun. It was blinding. It was so much light at the same time that it was so blinding. He was firstly not able to see anything. But then eyes adapted. Then he for the first time saw colors. Oh my God. Green leaves, red flowers, all of these things. Camels, the real shape, the real color of camel. And now he sees everything for real. He is astonished, he is amazed, he is not able to understand that, oh my God, earlier I was only looking at shadows. तो कितना गड़बड़ है, मतलब सच तो कुछ और ही है. And now this man wants to come back and tell his friends कि भाई लोग गड़बड़ है, ये असली दुनिया नहीं है जहाँ पे अपन बैठे हैं. असली दुनिया तो केव के बाहर है. The real world is outside. The real knowledge is outside. So he comes back. गिरते पड़ते दोबारा. And he here comes and he tries to tell his friends, man, this is not the, why are you looking at shadows? This is not the real thing. You know, real leaves look green. The real leaves is like, you know, that when you touch them, this is so different. And the people think, who have always seen the shadows, who have never seen the real thing, what do they think about that man? He's lying, he's mad, a madman. तो थोड़ा टाइम वो इग्नोर करते हैं उसको. फिर वो कहता है, अरे नहीं यार, तुम चलो चलो यार मेरे साथ चलो, आई विल शो यू. अब बच्चे दो चार उसके साथ कोशिश करते हैं कि मतलब मे बी ही स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू हिम. So all the people then do what? They kill him because he was corrupting the youth. It is the story of, written by his disciple, yes, Plato, but it has a great message, isn't it?